Are you tired of paying $50, $100, even $200 every single month for accounting software? What if you could get professional, bank-ready financial statements and save over $2,400 a year? This isn't just another spreadsheet template. This is the Keystone Ledger, a complete, professionally branded accounting system that makes your business look more established to lenders, investors, and partners. You'll own it completely. No monthly fees ever. It all starts with a professional chart of accounts, the foundation of your entire system. It's structured just like the pros use, so your reports are instantly recognizable and credible. Recording transactions is simple. Just enter the date, account number, and amount. The system uses double entry principles and even has built-in error checking to make sure your books are always balanced. And here's the magic. Every transaction instantly updates your financial statements in real time. No more waiting for month-end reports. Your numbers are always current. But the real power is in the executive dashboard. Get immediate insight into your most critical metrics. Understand your profitability, your cash position, and your financial health at a single glance. This is the executive-level view most small business owners never have. When it's time to apply for a loan or talk to an investor, you'll be ready. These reports are professionally formatted, easy to understand, and show that you take your financial management seriously. You have two ways to get this system. You can download the complete Keystone Ledger for free using the link in the description and set it up yourself. Or if that seems like too much work, schedule a complimentary 30-minute consultation. We'll analyze your business's financial health, and even if we decide we're not the right fit, you'll get the entire Keystone Ledger system as our gift, just for your time. Stop renting your accounting software. Start owning your financial future. Click the link below to download your system or schedule your free consultation now. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips to grow your business.